Hey there, and welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Greenhouse, the podcast where we chat about everything you need to know for a greener lifestyle. I'm your host, and I'm ready to guide you on today's exciting journey through the world of solar string inverters. Now, if you've been thinking about harnessing solar power for your home, well, you're in the right place. And there's no better time to get started than right now, so let's jump right into it and uncover the advantages that a solar string inverter brings to the table. So you might be wondering, what on earth is a solar string inverter? Well, simply put, it's a vital part of your solar energy setup. You see, it takes the DC electricity produced by your solar panels and converts it to AC electricity, and that's the type of electricity your home can use. So now let's dig into the goodies, all the benefits related to solar string inverters. First up, benefit number one, amped up efficiency. First of all, solar string inverters are efficiency rock stars. They boost the power output of your solar panels by continuously tracking the maximum power point of each panel or string. And what this means is that you can squeeze more electricity out of your system, upping your energy game and reducing how much you need from the grid. Benefit number two is that you can keep tabs on your system. You see, solar string inverters aren't just power efficient, they're smart too. A lot of the latest models feature built-in monitoring systems, letting you keep an eye on your solar energy system's performance in real time. So whether you're checking on energy production, spotting issues, or you're receiving alerts on your smartphone or your computer, you're in complete control. And what this means is that at this level of insight, you can make decisions about your energy use and maintenance with complete confidence. All right, on to benefit number three. They're kind to your wallet. It's not just about smart monitoring, though that's awesome. Solar string inverters, well, they have another ace up their sleeve. They're cost friendly. Typically, they're usually easier on the pocket compared to other types of inverters like microinverters. So they're extremely popular for homeowners wanting to save on upfront costs without skimping on performance. Oh, plus, their high efficiency means you generate more energy, which translates to more savings on your electric bills over time, and that's awesome. So benefit number four is that one size fits all. They're like the perfect pair of stretchy jeans. They're scalable and flexible, and they're a great fit for all sizes of solar installations, from cozy residential setups to sprawling commercial systems. And if you want to add more panels or strings to your solar system down the line, well, a string inverter makes it a breeze. So there you have it, the benefits of solar string inverters, from their efficiency, smart monitoring capabilities, cost effectiveness, all the way to their scalability. You see, these truly are the hidden gem in supercharging your solar energy system's performance and output. And always remember that by hopping on the solar power train, you're not just doing a solid for Mother Earth, but also making a savvy financial choice. Listen, thanks so much for watching and tuning into Greenhouse. We can't wait to catch up with you next time for more thrilling talks on living sustainably. Until then, keep it green.